Thank you for joining us for today's presentation of hydronic heating, systems, and applications. Before we begin our presentation today, I'd like to share a little information about GW Publisher. As a trusted educational partner for more than 100 years, GW continues to operate with a vision that began in 1921 to provide the highest quality content at a great value and take the best care of our customers. We share your passion and commitment to prepare learners for success in life and career. GW collaborates with outstanding authors, trustworthy reviewers, and industry-focused trade associations to deliver content with effective pedagogy aligned to national standards. This team of experts across career, technical, and health education ensures that students have the right mix of knowledge and skills for success. Every GW title is built to help support student success with powerful content written by expert educators and industry experts aligned to standards. Our content, delivered in both print and digital options, is designed with pedagogical tools to promote applied, hands-on practice and authentic learning through projects, procedures, and skills. And of course, every GW adoption includes ongoing instructor support, from our time-saving resources like detailed lesson plans and PowerPoints, assessments, consultation to find the best package for your school, and professional development opportunities with our national content specialists. Online instructor resources, specially created by teachers for teachers, are packages of instruction that save you time and make it easier to prepare for class, reinforce new concepts, and assess learning. These complete teaching packages are ready to go and will instantly make a difference in your class. The online instructor resources provide instructors with time-saving preparation tools such as editable lesson plans, PowerPoint presentations, and other teaching aids. Some features include lesson plans and activities. Experienced teachers have developed detailed lesson plans and creative activities to accompany the textbooks. There's no need to spend days recreating your courses. They have done it for you. PowerPoint presentations. Editable slides for each chapter engage a variety of learning styles, improve student focus, encourage discussion, and provide visual impact. Interactive content. Additional interactive content, including flashcards and other interactive activities to enhance the learning experience. Review questions can be completed and submitted to the instructor digitally. GW Assessment is a cloud-based assessment platform that seamlessly integrates with a school's LMS. No more downloads, uploads, or imports needed. One quick click takes you directly into GW Assessment. Create, customize, assign, and print pre-built questions and tests to meet the needs of your course. Confirm student comprehension through hundreds of questions in matching, completion, multiple choice, and short answer format. Enjoy the auto-grading feature that saves you time, improves your efficiency, and helps with your overall course management. When integrated in an LMS, easily measure student knowledge as grades and results flow right into your LMS gradebook. Gain valuable insights into student performance with advanced reporting delivered to your LMS. Stay current with continuous platform updates that ensure your class always has access to the latest assessments and features. GW is connected and committed to helping you achieve your teaching goals while students master learning. Our print titles are also available as a digital experience that includes the full ebook, digital versions of workbook or lab manual, as well as any accompanying media, study tools, and assessments. Supplemental learning with hydronic heating includes the lab workbook, ebook, and the digital companion. The digital companion is an additional online resource for students. The site includes e-flashcards, vocabulary matching activities, review activities, and a variety of other learning activities. Now, let's dive into the textbook. Hydronic Heating, Systems and Applications is a comprehensive introduction to modern hydronic heating systems written specifically for learners preparing to become entry-level heating technicians. Hydronic Heating is an introductory text that focuses on the information, techniques, processes, and procedures that are essential in becoming an entry-level HVAC technician. This textbook delivers key information on sizing, installation, service, and troubleshooting needed to prepare students for a successful career in the HVAC field. The second edition of Hydronic Heating, Systems and Applications improves on the already strong foundation laid out by the previous edition by implementing the following changes. Enhanced text content. Images and text throughout were replaced with new and improved information to show updated aspects of the industry. Upgraded schematics. Illustrations have been enhanced with new color differentiation for warm water to display the dispersion of heat more accurately in hydronic heating systems. Streamlined design. Learning outcomes are numbered and aligned with section headings to provide valuable reference information. Improved end-of-chapter content. Summaries and end-of-chapter assessments are numbered to align with text material to facilitate the connections between assessment and chapter text. Each chapter opener contains a chapter outline, a list of learning outcomes, and a list of technical terms. The chapter outline provides a preview of the topics that will be covered in the chapter. Learning outcomes clearly identify the knowledge and skills to be obtained when the chapter is completed. Technical terms list the key words to be learned in the chapter. The introduction provides an overview to the chapter content. Additional features are used throughout the body of each chapter to further learning and knowledge. Safety first features alert you to potentially dangerous materials and practices. Code notes point out specific items from typical HVAC codes. Procedures are highlighted throughout the textbook to provide clear instructions for hands-on service activities. Tech tips provide hands-on guidance that is especially applicable for on-the-job situations. Green tips highlight key items related to sustainability, energy efficiency, and environmental issues. Timeout for Math provides key mathematical practice and explanations to on-the-job scenarios. Did you know features offer interesting facts and tidbits on topics and concepts that provide a bigger picture. End-of-chapter material provides an opportunity for review and application of concepts. A concise summary provides an additional review tool and reinforces key learning outcomes. This helps you focus on important concepts presented in the text. Know and understand questions enable you to demonstrate knowledge, identification, and comprehension of chapter material. Apply and analyze questions, extend learning, and develop your abilities to use learned material in new situations and to break down material into its component parts. Critical thinking questions develop higher-order thinking and problem-solving abilities. The lab workbook combines review activities and practice applications that relate to the content of the textbook chapters. Hands-on lab activities are included to provide an opportunity for students to apply and extend knowledge gained from the textbook chapters. We are dedicated to creating exceptional professional development experiences that ignite innovation and drive student success. Through cutting-edge training and instructional design specifically for educators, GW can support you with the tools and knowledge needed to excel. Extend learning, build student interest, and create an engaging atmosphere for your class. Visit our Tools for Educators site to download printable activities, infographics, and posters along with student-centered instructional strategy videos ready for use today. A well-prepared educator is at the cornerstone of every successful learning environment, and GW is here to support you every step of the way. By providing tools that range from simple, user-friendly training resources that directly align to your textbook to high-impact instructional practices, we want every educator to feel confident using GW resources as a powerful gateway to student-centered learning. If you have additional questions or need assistance pertaining to the GW product, please contact us at GW Support or Customer Service and visit our knowledge-based articles and how-to guides at support.g-w.com. You may also submit a ticket through our support center by going to support.g-w.com/new, filling out the required fields, and creating your ticket. In addition, we have a number of knowledge-based articles and how-to guides that you can explore by visiting our support center. You may select a category. You may choose your specific LMS and read the articles of your choice. Please visit us at support.g-w.com to learn more. Every product we create at GW is informed by educators who teach the course it's designed for. We look for teachers or industry professionals who are experts in their field to thoroughly review our content before it's published. If you're interested in working with the GW team to develop new products and improve existing ones, visit www.g-w.com/engage with us to learn more. Stay up to date on the latest from GW when you follow us on social media. You can find us on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And our new GW blog will cover important issues and insights across the career, technical, and health education fields, new trends and technologies that are transforming the workforce, and classroom-tested tips for CTE, health, and PE educators. Visit www.g-w.com to learn more about hydronic heating, systems, and applications.